If you are wondering what are haptics on iPhone 17e, then the answer is pretty straightforward. It is just the vibration feedback provided by the phone. Usually whenever you interact with something on your phone, and usually it is a successful interaction, the phone can provide you a vibration feedback, so the phone will slightly vibrate. This is the haptic, and usually you can adjust some of the haptic options by going to Sounds and Haptics. To be exact here, for example, for ringtone and alerts, if you go to haptics, then you can manage them in here. And besides that, for each of these options, like the ringtone, text tone, new voicemail, sound, and so on and so forth, for all of these sound categories, we can also find haptic settings in here. And not only that, you can toggle keyboard feedback as well. We can find the haptic too. So when this option is enabled, whenever you tap on a key on the keyboard, your phone will vibrate for a very short amount of time, for a very short period. And there is also the system haptics, which we can toggle as well, so you can turn it on or off in here. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.